Hey guys, how's it going? We wanted to give you a quick update. I know a lot of you have been waiting for our new full bike rack, and this is our prototype right here. And we just wanted to give you a quick rundown showing you the improvements we've made and how it actually fits in your van. First of all, what we've done is we've created a whole separate mount for this thing, and it mounts front and rear, so it's really rigid. You can mount it on north-south L track, such as like this, or you can mount it, if you just had east-west L track, you can mount it on one side by itself. I'll throw it in here on the north-south because it's pretty cool how rigid it is. Just to kind of show you, all you do is slide it in like that, tighten these knobs, and it works similar to our old rack. It's a friction mount, there's no wear parts on it. It folds up nice and tight like this, and when you're ready to use it, you open these up, pull the arm up like that, and you slide a bike in. I'll show you that in 1 second, but we basically made it more compact. This thing looks really cool. It's floating about a ½ inch off the ground. Obviously some of these are not production parts, but you can see how this thing really locks the bike in there. It's way more rigid even than it was before, and everything folds down flat and out of the way. It's just a really solid mount. Let's show you a bike in there. So here we go. Mounting a bike is easy. You just roll it over in the front and pull this down like you would with our previous rack, and that's it.